everybody, welcome back to my channel. How's you doing? Today we're gonna do a beautiful pink look. We're gonna call it the Pink Panther just because I feel like it. It's pink, it has jewels, that's what's up. We are going in the Jeffree Star palette, the Jawbreaker to be specific. We are using the color Good Morning as our first transition, and then to buff that out, we're just gonna throw Virgin in the brow bone. And you're gonna blend together Good Morning, Bubblegum, and Cherry Wet for this look. So it's gonna create a little bit of an ombre. I like to use a big fluffy brush for this, but you can use any kind of brush you want, a tiny pencil or anything, but I recommend using a big fluffy brush, but that's just me, you do you. Also, jam out makes the whole process a lot better. So this is the color Cherry Wet that I'm applying right now. It is so pretty, and I think that the big fluffy brush just makes it a little less poppy, like a little more blended and a little less intense, which is the look I'm going for today. Now go into Snack with a smaller little brush and kind of create a little halo drop on your eyelid. The specific about that doesn't have to be too precise because we are covering it up a little bit later. Now using the Prom Queen in Jeffree Star's Liquid Lip, we're gonna create a little bit of eyeball art. So I just looked at the mirror and I found where my pupil was, and I went on the inner side of my pupil and drew a line out to my eyebrow. Then I'm drawing a little crease on my crease. And then I'm gonna be doing the outside, like the opposite side, the outer corner of my eye pupil, and then one on the very outer corner, creating like a faux wing. I mixed together cotton candy. Sorry, the shade was covered in cotton candy. I mixed together cotton candy with a little bit of mixing liquid and put that on the inside of those. Now I'm putting down a little bit of glue. Just kidding, it's just adhesive for the glitters. Now I'm using the shade Pink Panther in Breemaquillage Custom Glitter, available on breemaquillage.com, and putting that right outside that cut crease. Now you're just gonna glue a bunch of sequins to your face. Make it look cute. Do whatever you want, boo. Live your life. Get lost in the art and the beauty. Also, I wish this only took 5 minutes. This took like an hour and a half. Power of editing, Maine. I wanted to fill in this little space, so I'm adding a little bit more of that Pink Panther glitter right up in there. And now on the inner line that I've created with Prom Night, I'm adding a little bit of that Pink Panther again. Now taking a gold liquid eyeshadow. These are out of stock right now, but they will be coming back in super soon, so keep an eye out for that. I'm just going to be adding some details. And then messing up. Now I'm gonna create a teardrop, but in reverse. Girl ugly. 1 second. Okay, that's so much better. Snatched. Let's take a closer look at that snout. Thank you everybody who clicked onto today's video, and I hope you enjoyed watching me create this beautiful look. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and follow me on all of my other social medias. I love you guys. Bye!